Okay, here's the most powerful feature of ads in InfoLinks, and that's dynamic keywords. And I'm going to show you how this works. So let's go ahead and create a new ad variation, and we're going to use keywords instead. So it's going to get a little interesting here. So instead of saying buy best website, let's do best website hosting deals. So the keywords, as you can see, the keywords were web hosting, website hosting, dedicated servers, for example. That might be a keyword. Okay, so maybe we want best, and then we're going to put in the squigglies, and then we're going to have keyword, and then we're going to have an alternate text, and we're going to just call that web site hosting. Okay, so web site hosting squiggly. So what happens is, if the keyword is dedicated servers, for example, it's going to display best dedicated servers. But if dedicated servers is too long to fit in the title, it will substitute website hosting instead. So your alternate needs to be short enough so that it will fit in the title section here. Same thing happens with the description. So it's keyword, which will display the person's keyword itself, so it's more accurately associated with what they're looking for. And if that word's too long, you can use the alternate. So in the description, we could do something like find the best, and we'll borrow this again, keyword. Find the best in the world. I don't know, that's kind of silly, but in the world. So you can have multiple keywords in here as well, but again, it will substitute the actual keyword into here, where the keyword, it'll put it right in here. And if it's too long, the alternate will appear. You can even do the same thing in here. So if you want to do / and then keyword, as you can see, that's a little bit too long for the destination URL. When it hits red, it's gone too long. So HostGator website, let's just put in keyword hosting. So you can actually have it on the domain itself. You can even use it in the destination URL as for tracking purposes. Here's something that's even more interesting, and that is keyword capitalization rules. So if you put in keyword with a capital K here, it'll display the keyword's first letters capitalized. If you do something where keyword, that means if the keyword was website hosting, then the W and the H will both be capitalized. You can even make the whole first word capitalized, or you can make the entire thing capitalized. So not only do you have the ability to substitute dynamic keywords wherever the customer is going to look on the ad, you can also change the case of the keyword as well. You can put it in your display URL and in your destination URL. What this does is it makes the ad look even more targeted to what the customer was looking for on their in-text keyword. Again, if the keyword was, for example, dedicated servers, it's going to show best dedicated servers. Find the best dedicated servers in the world. So this is an invaluable method for targeting those customers even more specifically for the keywords that you're showing.